20-3 is estimating inventory. We have one learning objective. You need to be able to estimate the cost of merchandise inventory using the gross profit method of estimating inventory. Gross profit method of estimating inventory is simply estimating inventory by using the previous year's percentage of gross profit on operations. So what we're going to do, we look at first the beginning inventory, January 1st. Then we add to it the purchases from January 1st to the 31st. That's going to give us our cost of merchandise available for sale. Okay, then we're going to take our net sales, so what we sold from January 1st to January 31st, times our previous year's gross profit percentage, which was 40%. That's going to give our estimated gross profit on operations. We are then going to take our net sales again, so notice it's that same number from here, net sales from January 1st to January 31st, minus our estimated gross profit on operations, which is this number. Okay, so the one that we just figured out, we're going to subtract from our net sales. That's going to give us our estimated cost of merchandise sold. And then our last step, step 4, is we're going to take our cost of merchandise available for sale, what we figured out here in step 1, minus our estimated cost of merchandise sold, what we figured out here in step 3, to get our estimated ending merchandise inventory. When the gross profit method of estimating inventory is used for months other than the first month of the fiscal period, the process is the same that we just showed you. Okay, so what they're saying is we usually use this for just the first month. However, if they continue using it, it's the same steps, the same 4 steps. All right, number 1, when neither a perpetual system is maintained nor a physical inventory is taken, how can an ending merchandise inventory be determined that is accurate enough for a monthly income statement? That is when they use the gross profit method of estimating inventory. Number 2, what amounts are needed to estimate ending merchandise inventory? What amounts do you need for those steps? You need to know the actual net sales and net purchases. You need to have the beginning inventory amount, and you need to have the gross profit percentage. And the last question, number 3, what amount is used for beginning inventory for a month that is not the first month of a fiscal year? We're just going to take the previous month's ending inventory. Move on to the 20-3, work together.